Tang from UOW Malaysia KDU. Today, I'm going to show you how to power up a simple calculator by using lemon. What you need to have is 1 lemon, galvanized wire, and electrical wire.
Warning: adult supervision is needed when handling sharp objects.
To start, first cut the galvanized wire to roughly around 2 inches long. You need 2 pieces. Make it into a U like this. Next, the electric, you need 4 pieces. Cut roughly around 10 centimeter long. For the electrical wire, make sure you shave off the insulator roughly around 2 cm. Next is the lemon. Cut the lemon into half. To assemble a battery, take one of the wire, pull into half, use a skewer stick, poke a hole, and take the wire, fix it to the electrical wire, and then fix it to the lamp. There you go, 1 battery. Let's see how it works. The galvanized wire is zinc coated iron, while the core of the electrical wire is made of copper. The lemon juice is acting as electrolytes, which allows ions to move between the 2 terminals. Zinc is more reactive than copper, and therefore it is oxidized to form zinc ion. The electrons produced travel through the wire to copper. At the copper, the hydrogen ions from the lemon juice are reduced to form hydrogen gas. The electric current is produced by these moving electrons from zinc to copper. The zinc is the negative terminal, while the copper is the positive terminal. 1 lemon battery produces 0.82 volts. The calculator requires 1.5 volts to operate. We can increase the voltage by combining 2 lemon batteries in series. Now the battery generates 1.68 volts. Now the battery is ready. Let's connect it to the calculator. There you go, a functioning calculator. When life gives you a lemon, you squeeze the electric current out of it. Thank you for watching.